We all want to make our skin beautiful. But for various reasons our skin becomes black. Today we will show you how to make a gold face pack, which is great for making your skin beautiful. Fast, take 1 tablespoon yogurt in a bowl. This gentle exfoliation not only helps to create a natural glow and prevent breakouts, but works to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles. When topically applied to the skin, a velvety yogurt face mask will help moisturize, fight acne, prevent premature aging, relieve sunburn, and reduce discoloration. Add half TBSP turmeric powder. You may want to try a turmeric face mask to help reduce acne and any resulting scars. The anti-inflammatory qualities can target your pores and calm the skin. Turmeric is also known to reduce scarring. This combination of uses may help your face clear up from acne breakouts. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Coconut oil helps bolster your skin's protective barrier layer, trapping moisture inside and keeping skin supple and hydrated. Reduces inflammation. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for irritated, chafed skin. Increases collagen production. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey helps your body's healing process, which may help fade acne scars. You can use honey as a spot treatment on scars, applying it every day or every other day as a paste at the site of your scarring. You may also see results if you use honey face masks as a part of your beauty routine, as described above. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with water. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.